Hello little readers. Welcome to Friendly Kid Stories. How are you doing today? Today we are going to read a book called It's All the Cat's Fault. The book is written by Anushka, illustrated by Priya Kurian. I am so excited. Let's start reading. Why haven't you done your homework? Miss, it's all the cat's fault. If she had not got stuck on the tree, I would not have taken the ladder to climb it. If I had not taken the ladder to climb it, I would not have needed to fix it. If I had not needed to fix it, I wouldn't have woken up the baby. If I had not woken up the baby, my mother would not have rushed out of the kitchen. If my mother had not rushed out of the kitchen, the monkey would not have got in. If the monkey had not got in, he would not have eaten up all the food. If he had not eaten up all the food, my father would not have bought rotis and chicken curry at the tea shop. If my father had not bought rotis and chicken curry at the tea shop, the dog would not have followed him home. If the dog had not followed him home, he would not have eaten my homework. So you're saying the dog ate your homework? Yes, miss, it's all the cat's fault. Hello again, little one. I hope you had enjoyed this book. I will see you next time.